Hello guys. It's me, Lil Nugget here and again. Playing Forsaken for the first time. Well, not first time, but first time with you guys. I got some good news. I finally figured out how to record stuff on my PC. So if you ever have any recommendations on what for me to play, like Undertale, Minecraft, anything like that, comment it, like and subscribe, and I'll heart your comment under this video if I will like it. So good luck. Yep. So I've never really experienced this update, so I finally get to figure out who Nolly is. Yes, I haven't really seen Nolly yet, so I'm kinda new. Apparently what the? Anyways, yep. I'm basically just playing the game. So yeah. I'll shut up now. So we got Jason playing next. Let's see how that's gonna go. Easy. But anyway, let's do this. Let's freaking do this. Wait a minute. See this guy? Those two are basically the same. I didn't even realize that. Oh, it wasn't really even there, but yeah. Wow, it's Jason! This is gonna be so easy. Yeah, I chose Elliot because he's pretty good. Oh, first machine already found. Oh, frick. I accidentally wasted my ability. Don't judge me if oh shoot, hold up. Yeah. Oh, he's not. I'm just gonna take my chances. Blop, blop, bloop. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. No matter if I do. Free machine for me. Yes. Huh, that was surprisingly easy. Well, not surprising. Jason's pretty easy to escape and adapt to, so yeah. Oh, that's what I would have said. Frickin' run. Eat this frick. Oh, frick. Why am I getting distracted? No time for that. Need to run. Game stop lagging on me. Game stop lagging on me. Elliot's my fool. I got you. Okay. Boop, bop, bleep, blorp, blop. Doop. Okay, last machine. Where could it be? Oh. Here you go. Here you go, dude. It's right there. Okay. Is there any machines anywhere? Shoot, where is it? Oh. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, he's after me. He's freaking after me. He's after me. He's after me. He's gonna smell my feet. Ayo, pause. Oh my gosh. Smell my feet. Ayo, pause. What? Oh, machine. Machine. Oh, guess I didn't need to finish it. Oh, that was quite easy. Oh, I'm gonna be it. Oh, and if you're wondering what I am, I'm Cool Kid. So yeah, if you're ever wondering, ooh, what is, guys? If you ever want, what does Nolly do? Cause I have no idea, because I've never really played this update, so please give me some heads up and tell me who that is in the comments, if you will. Not forcing, of course. I just got a skin for this fool. Never mind, I can't get a skin. Well, I guess I just gotta wait. Okay, I'm gonna lock in for this. And another one bites dust. Another one bites dust. Don't mind. Don't mind if I'm bad. You know, it's cause I like teaming. I like targeting Elliot's because they're pizza fools. Come out, wherever you are.
You're it!
How I love
No fair!
next chance. Okay. Why ain't no fun, dude?
Then you're not. Here we go! Pizza!
You're no fun, dude. Literally what he said.
Here you are.
You're lowest. Oh god. Literally one tap, dude. Like. Oh. Where the heck is Guest, dude? Come here, Guest. Oh, you're like literally. Oh gosh, people are gonna roast me so hard in chat. I know who it's gonna be. Right for you. Oh, finally. Stupid Guest. No chance. Actually, I could go for him. Never mind. He's dead. Dude. Oh, poop.
You're no fun. You know the deal.
Whoa. Dude, how are you? Dude, this guy.
Ashes, they all fall
I'm
down.
green. I'm green, I will evil.
Just one more lap. No fair.
You. Gotta be kidding me. Oh,
You're it.
well, hope I locked in.